Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this bell flower. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, double and triple crochet stitches. This is 4 inch in length. You can use this flower in number of your crochet project. So before we start to make this flower, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this bell flower. So to make this, you can use any thread of your choice. Here I am going to use this size 10 cotton thread from this brand. And for this cotton thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 1.5 mm. So take your green colored thread and make a ring. Here I'm going to use a magic ring. Once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 10 single crochet stitches. If you are using this flower along with light, so when you pull this loose end, just keep this space little bit wider. So our round number 1 is done and we have 10 stitches. Now in round number 2, top of first stitch, make 2 single crochets. Place the marker on your first stitch. After 2 single crochet, work in next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then on next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Then on next stitch, make 1 single crochet. So in round number 2, we are going to repeat these stitches. In next stitch, make 2 single crochet, then 1, 2, 1, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 2. Round number 2 is done and we have 15 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of each stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet. So take your hook on top of first stitch. Here we are going to make 1 single crochet. Then on next 1. So like this, make 1 single crochet and complete round number 3. So round number 3 is done and we have 15 stitches. Now in round number 4, top of next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Place the marker on your first stitch. Then in next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So in round number 4, we are going to repeat these stitches. Top of next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Then on next 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet. So 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So when you work on your last single crochet stitch, here we are going to attach the second color. So take the second color thread. Now grab the thread and pull from this to loop. Now cut the first colored thread with some margin. And we are going to secure these loose ends while working on our stitches. So our round number 4 is done and we have 20 stitches. Now from round number 5 we are going to work with our second color. So with second color, top of each stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet. So take your hook on top of first stitch, Now just keep this loose ends above your hook like this, so it will get secure. Make one single crochet, then on next one, then on next one. So like this, make one single crochet top of each stitch and complete round number 5. So round number 5 is done and we have 20 stitches. Now in round number 6, top of next 3 stitches, make one single crochet. After 3 single crochet, work on next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So in round number 6, we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch, make one single crochet, then on 4th stitch, make 2 single crochet. So 3 single crochets, then 2, 3 and 2. Like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 6. So round number 6 is done and we have 25 stitches. Now from round number 7 to 8, we are going to make one single crochet top of each stitch. So total 2 rounds with one single crochet. So round number 8 is done and we have 25 stitches. Now in round number 9, top of next 4 stitches, make one single crochet. After 4 single crochet, work on next stitch and here make 2 single crochet. So in round number 9, we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 4 stitch, make one single crochet, then on next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So 4, 2, 4, 2. Like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 9. So round number 9 is done and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 10 and 11, we are going to make one single crochet top of each stitch. So total 2 rounds with one single crochet. Round number 11 is done. Now in round number 12, in next 5 stitches, make one single crochet. After 5 single crochet, work in next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So in round number 12, we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 5 stitch, make one single crochet. Then on next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So 5, 2, 5, 2. Like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 12. So round number 12 is done and we have 35 stitches. Now in round number 13, top of each stitch, we are going to make one single crochet. So round number 13 is done and we have 35 stitches. Now in round number 14, we are going to make these petals. So I'm going to show you how to make the first petal and you need to repeat these stitches to make the remaining 4 petals. So take your hook on top of next stitch, here make one single crochet, then on same stitch make one half double crochet, Then in next stitch make 2 double crochets. Then on next stitch make 2 triple crochets. So to make the triple crochet, grab the thread 2 times. Now take your hook on top of next stitch, grab and pull the thread. So you will have 4 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from first 2 loop, then grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then grab the thread and pull from last 2 loops. So this is your first triple crochet stitch. Like this, make 1 more triple crochet in same stitch. Now make chain 2. Now skip first chain, work on second chain, and here make 1 slip stitch. Now we are going to work on next stitch, and here we are going to make 1 double triple. Now grab the thread 3 times, insert your hook on top of next stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from first 2 loop. Now grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then next 2, and then last 2. So this is our 1 double triple crochet stitch. Now work on next stitch, and here make 2 triple crochets. Then work on next stitch, make 2 double crochet. And work on next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then on same stitch make 1 single crochet. So we made our first petal. So how we made this first petal, we are going to repeat this stitches and going to make 4 more petals by repeating these stitches. So I'm going to show you the second petal. Top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet in same stitch. Then on next stitch make 2 double crochet, then on next stitch make 2 triple crochet, chain 2, on second chain make 1 slip stitch, then work on next stitch, make 1 double triple crochet, then on next stitch make 2 triple crochet, then on next stitch make 2 double crochet, then on next stitch make 1 half double crochet, then on same stitch make 1 single crochet. So this is our second petal is done. So like this, repeat these stitches and work 3 more petals. So I will finish my 3 more petals by repeating the same stitches. So this bell flower is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.